This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Müller Kalinka kefir, the first kefir that I have ever had, and of course the kefir that I have been using as a benchmark for every other kefir that I have been trying ever since. I have been told that this is not really kefir at all, according to a person who is used to other kefir. So yeah, apparently this is more like a drinking yogurt, but isn't kefir like generally more of a drinking yogurt anyway? I do not know, but we are going to take a very close look at this together today. The packaging looks alright. We've got half a kilo of Kalinka kefir. Das Kraftpaket, the power package, all of that cheesy stuff written on here, all sorts of stuff written down here as well. And the bottle deposit logo right there, and all sorts of other stuff right here. Let us find the nutrition table right there. So we've got the low-fat kefir, mild with 1.5% fat, and it contains milk. Okay, interesting. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right there in the center of the frame, and everything else that is now in the frame here. All sorts of cheesy stuff that they used to sell this a bit better. Maybe? I don't know. It's alright though. Overall, it is alright. It's got a clear bottom here. Let us shake this a bit and open it up. There we go. It has, of course, got the tethered bottle cap now, which is mandatory here in the European Union. And there is the kefir. Yeah, very nice. Bubbly. Here we've got this sort of honeycomb shape, if you can see it right there. If you drink this just from the bottle like this, you're very likely to spill this sort of stuff on your shirt or whatever you're wearing, because now, as you can see, everything just pools there at the bottom, and when you drink it now it's going to drip on your shirt, which is fantastic. So let us take a bit of a sniff test. It smells of yogurt, a classic, just natural yogurt. Nothing else added to it really. Yeah, this is what this smells of. Let's pour it into the glass right here. Shall I zoom out a little bit? Then you can see, hopefully, the consistency of this. It's quite runny. There are much thicker kefirs out there, much thicker drinking yogurts in general. Also thinner ones. Something like the ayran that you can also get over here is a bit thinner than this still. But there is, of course, more water in it. And also salt. And here, well, no additional salt is poured into it, if I am informed correctly. So let's give this a taste test. So it does taste very much like a yogurt. As a drink, it's got a mild acidity to it. If you're only used to sugared yogurts, then you are not really going to be into this too much, I think. But it does have a nice consistency. It is not as watery as ayran, as I stated previously. It is not as thick as the plombier kefir that you can also get. That one feels more like a foamed up cream almost. This here is I guess a thin-ish or medium thickness drinking yogurt. There are more like German or like, say, Western Europe style drinking yogurts that are quite a bit thicker than this one is. Overall, it's nice though. I like it. 500 grams of kefir. Yes, very pleasant. So the Müller Kalinka kefir. I mean, I haven't been growing up with kefir at all. This is not a classic German drink, one could say. But it's getting more popular, certainly, in the last couple of years, maybe a decade or two. And ever since I had this, the first time I had this, I thought it was kind of weird, but after that, it's fine. It's certainly healthier than other convenience drinks you can get at the supermarket. I'm getting some extra protein, along the way without having to buy these like cheesy high protein drinks or whatever that are, well, pumped up with other stuff too that is not really all that healthy. Yeah, then you might as well just go for something like this, like a drinking yogurt, like the Kefir right here. Is it supposed to be called a drinking yogurt? Am I saying things in a way that is not very correct at all? Well, maybe I am, but this is what this reminds me of. A very, I guess, like a buttermilk, but thicker and maybe slightly a bit more acidic. Yeah, this is really what this reminds me of if I were not to use the name Kefir at all. Yeah, I would give this on a scale from 1 to 10, I guess an 8. 8 out of 10. Pleasant to the mouth, pleasant to the nose, I guess. If you are into this sort of stuff. If you're not, then this is going to be disgusting, of course. But not much to complain about. And since I, well, am comparing this to everything else so far, I don't really have encountered a kefir that I did like more than this one. So, yeah. I guess an 8 out of 10 is an appropriate rating for this. And if you've got more kefir experience, please let me know what you think about this, if you like it, if you don't like it. If you've got something that I should try, also feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And I think that's it for this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye-bye.